In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take book notes in Obsidian. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable setup that keeps your reading notes organized and easy to revisit. By the end, you'll have a dedicated place for your book notes, a clear structure for capturing insights, and a second note ready for deeper dives like chapters, themes, or highlights. Start by opening Obsidian and making sure you're in the vault where you want these notes to live. Obsidian is terrific for book notes because everything is plain text, searchable, and linkable, which means your ideas can grow over time without becoming messy. Create a new folder and name it Notes. This folder will be your home base for anything you read. Keeping a dedicated folder helps you avoid scattering book notes across your vault. If you already use folders like reading or literature, that's fine. The key is choosing one consistent place. A clean structure now saves time when you're looking for a quote or summary later. Next, right-click on the Notes folder. Doing this before creating a note ensures your new file lands in the correct spot so you're not hunting it down afterward. The context menu you see here is your quick way to keep everything organized from the start. Click on New Note. You'll get a fresh blank page where you can start capturing your book. As soon as the note opens, give it a clear title so you can find it later. A straightforward pattern works very well, such as the full book title, optionally followed by the author or year. Good naming helps your graph and search results stay meaningful. Now enter the details of your notes. Begin with a short header at the top. Include the book title, the author when you read it, and a status like to read, reading, or finished. Add a couple of tags if you use them, such as hashtag books, reading, or a genre tag. Below that, create a brief summary in your own words. A few sentences is enough to capture the big idea. Then add sections that matter to you. Common ones include key ideas, favorite quotes, and takeaways. When you add quotes, include page or location numbers so you can trace them back. For highlights or definitions, keep them concise and explain why they stood out. That personal note, why it matters, turns a highlight into actionable knowledge. If the book connects to something else you've read, link it with double brackets to another note. These links make it easy to build a web of related ideas and find patterns across your reading. If you like structure, use simple headings to break up the page. Headings make scanning easier and help you jump to sections later. Keep your formatting lightweight so you can focus on thinking, not styling. Most importantly, write in your own words as much as possible. It's tempting to copy long chunks, but your understanding improves when you explain ideas yourself. Click on New Note again. This second note is great for a deeper layer of detail without cluttering your main summary. You might use it for chapter-by-chapter notes, a running list of quotes, or themes you want to analyze. Keeping this separate makes each note easier to read and maintain. Enter the details of this note just like before, but tailor it to your purpose. If you're doing chapters, give each chapter a small section with a mini summary, a favorite passage, and the key insight you're taking away. If it's a quotes note, keep each quote on its own line with a quick context note and a link back to your main book note. You can also link from the main summary to these deeper sections so you can jump back and forth effortlessly. As you write, aim for clarity over completeness. A sentence or two per idea is usually enough. Obsidian saves automatically, so you can jot thoughts quickly without worrying about losing your work. That's it. You've opened Obsidian, created a dedicated notes folder, right-click to keep things organized, created a main book note with clear sections, and then created a second note to expand your thinking. Repeat this process for every book, and over time you'll build a reliable, searchable library of your reading that actually supports your learning.